If you would like to know how I was able to get this sleek ponytail on natural hair in 3 steps, then just keep watching. Now with this ponytail, you want to start from the side. So it would be something like this. So you would tuck in this side comb, and then you would start to wrap the ponytail around your own natural ponytail. So as you see, I'm wrapping. And then when I get up to the top, I want to hold it in place, and then I would go ahead and just pull this piece to the other side. And then just keep wrapping. In terms of ease of install, as you can see, it was very easy. Basically, it's 2 steps. The hardest part really is just prepping your hair. As far as comfort, overall, I just feel like I would need to make sure that the ponytail itself is pretty secure. Because it is 24 inches, it's rather heavy, and then also in addition to the hair texture itself, it makes it so that the ponytail is weighted down. In terms of appearance, I feel like it's a cute ponytail, but again, this would be cute for running errands as opposed to cute for going to work, if that makes sense. So in conclusion, would I recommend this product? Yes, I would recommend this product. However, I wouldn't recommend this product for long-term use. This product would be useful if you're going to like a family barbecue. I know we're in quarantine or COVID, so more than likely you guys are not going to a family barbecue. But if you wanted to hop on to like a quick Zoom call and you didn't really want to fuss around or bother with doing your hair and actually styling it, then yes, this is a perfect piece for you. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. Please go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button as well. Thank you so much. Bye.